I go to the grocery store with my family or group. The grocery store is where people buy food and drinks. When we walk into the store, I stay with my group. I keep my hands to myself and use my walking feet. I like pushing the cart. Sometimes I walk next to it, but both ways are okay. Before we go shopping, we make a list. A shopping list helps us remember what we need to buy. At the store, I'm looking for things on my list. When I find them, I can put them in my cart or basket. Sometimes I see many people shopping. I need to watch carefully so I don't bump anyone with my cart. Sometimes I see things that are not on my list. If I want them, I need to check if I have extra money. It's a good idea to pick foods that are healthy. Healthy foods helps us to stay strong and full of energy. When everything on the list is in the cart, it's time to check out. At the checkout line, I wait patiently for my turn. I keep my cart in place so it doesn't bump anyone. When it's my turn, my group helps me put the groceries on the counter. We work as a team. The cashier scans the food and tells me how much I need to pay. I can pay with cash or my debit card. When I am done, I say thank you. After the groceries are bagged, we put them in the car. Then we can go home. Going shopping at the grocery store with my group is one of my favorite outings. I feel proud, accomplished, and good about myself.
Hey, you